Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Honda YouTube channel. My name's Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this 2022 Honda HR-V Advance. This one's finished in the premium crystal red, so it looks the part. It's had one owner from new, this vehicle, so you'll be the second owner. The Advance is full of spec, like the part leather seats, electric tailgate, front and rear sensors, rear view camera, heated front seats and much more. 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels look excellent as well, and you got the full LED headlight and tail light bar as well. This one's got the body colour grille, more seamless look. I'll take you inside the vehicle now. It is keyless entry and start as well. It's a 1.5 self-charging hybrid, as all HR-Vs are now, so you never plug it in and you benefit from excellent miles per gallon. That's what the hybrid is there for. You've got the 9-inch central Honda Connect screen with built-in Garmin navigation. You've also got wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto. I'll pop it into reverse and you can see the rear camera pops up automatically. It does also have rear cross traffic alert, which senses further away than parking sensors, just to let you know if something is coming out of the blind spot. That's really great. You do also have a few different views, so a nearer view, and then you've also got this above view, which is really great. That's the back of the bumper just there, and you can get really close to a wall or whatnot. You've also got the sensors at the front and the rear that come up through the screen, so that's really great. Really nice feature. Heated front seats is a lovely feature. Dual zone climate control. You do also have the heated steering wheel as well. Intelligent adaptive cruise control. Multi-functions on the steering wheel. As you can see there, it's covered just 16,732 miles, which isn't too bad at all. Very low mileage. I'll show you the service history now. It's got a full Honda service history, being first service on the 3rd of April 2023 at 5,658 miles, and most recently it was done at 13,669 miles on the 5th of April 2024. So it will be serviced before you do take it as well, so I have a full Honda history, which is excellent. Really great peace of mind with the vehicle. You can see you've got the part leather seats, which are very comfortable. Same in the rear, you've got the rear armrest and the magic seats, which I'll show you in just a moment. It does have the electric tailgate as well, which is openable from the inside of the car. That's a really nice feature. Not something you see on a lot of small SUVs, so really great to have. And there's your boot, nice square shaped boot. You've got your tyre inflation kit in there, but this car will come with 12 months roadside assistance under the approved scheme. Really nice to have the electric tailgate. I'll show you the rear seats now. You do have the rear concealed door handles for that sporty 3-door look with 5-door practicality, which is great. Take you to the back. Rear seats are very clever. They're the magic seats, so they fold down like so. The bases go into the footwell, giving you that completely flat low bay. That's incredible. Also, you can flip it up in the cinema style, like so. And that gives you space from floor to ceiling for tall items such as plants. Really great. Maybe you're doing a bit of last minute Christmas shopping, you can get everything in there, which is really nice. Really practical feature on the vehicle. It's all got genuine HR-V mats in the back and in the front as well, which are a nice addition. Those are not a standard feature, those are over £100, so that's great to have as well. All in all then, it's a lovely vehicle. One owner, you'll be the second owner of the car. Full Honda history, and it's finished in the premium crystal red as well, which we don't get a whole lot of these in that colour. Definitely stands out from other vehicles on the road. If you've got any questions, give us a call at 01539 760 370. We'll be happy to help. We do offer flexible financial options, including PCP on this vehicle, and part exchange is always welcome. No matter the age, make, model, mileage of your vehicle, we'll have a look into it and get you the best price we possibly can against this HR-V. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you very shortly.